सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Chapter 1, Shloka number 1. जनक उवाच कथं ज्ञानमवाप्नोति कथं मुक्तिर्भविष्यति वैराग्यं च कथं प्राप्तम् एतद्ब्रूहि मम प्रभो। अष्टावक्र उवाच मुक्तिमिच्छसि चेत्तात विषयान् विषवत्यज क्षमार्जवदयातोष सत्यं पीयूषवद्भज न पृथिवी न जलं नाग्निः न वायुर्द्यौर्न वा भवान् येषां साक्षिणमात्मानं चिद्रूपं विद्धि मुक्तये। Janaka Maharaja asked 3 questions to Ashtavakra. Katham Jnanam avapnoti purushaha. How one can attain knowledge. Atma Jnanam. Here Jnanam means Atma Jnanam. How a person can attain Atma Jnanam? Please tell me. Question number 2. Katham muktihi bhavishyati. How one can attain liberation? Mukti means liberation. How one can attain liberation? Third question. Vairagyam cha katham praptam. Detachment. Vairagyam means dispassion or detachment. How to get that vairagyam? What is the method? Bruhi mama prabho. O Ashtavakra Maharshi, please tell me how to get all these 3. By these questions we come to know Janaka Maharaja is a very informed person. Very informed, refined mind. We can understand by these 3 questions. For that Ashtavakra has answered. He started his teaching by 2nd verse. What he says? Muktim ichchati chet. If you are desirous of moksha, ichchati means desirous of. Mukti, liberation. Tata, oh my dear student. Vishayan vishavatyaja. First thing you have to do is you have to drop tyaja. You have to drop all sense objects. Vishayan means all sense objects. How to understand? How to drop Vishayan? As long as you have sense organs, you cannot drop sense objects. So it is illogical. How to understand here? Vishayan tyaja means craving for those sense objects. overindulgence in sense pleasures, that you drop. Overindulgence, greediness or craving, this you have to drop. Attachment, raga, you have to drop. Either aversion or attachment, both you have to drop. That you have to drop towards the objects. Drop attachment, vishayan, like a poison. Never become addicted to those sense pleasures through sense objects. They are like poison. Anything is poison if you over consume. Anything, even good food also, if you eat too much, what will happen? It will convert it into poison. Therefore, even sense pleasure also, seeing TV also. For example, if you see TV, anything if you use over indulgence, that will become a poison, means harm to you. Just as poison causes a harm to a person, every sense pleasure, there is a potential, a powerful addiction caused disease. Addiction is a type of disease. Therefore, tyajana. And what you have to develop? On the other hand, you have to develop vairagyam, means vishayan tyaja is vairagyam. Then what you have to develop? Kshama, forgiveness. Kshama, mental strength to withstand the opposite experience. Kshama means forbearance, not forgiveness, forbearance, patience. Kshama, arjavam, straightforwardness. There must be an alignment between your words, thoughts and actions. Arjavam. That is called straightforwardness. People use the word straightforwardness, but they do not know what is its meaning. Straightforwardness means not talking whatever it comes in your mind. I am very straightforward. That is not the meaning of straightforwardness. Straightforwardness is that there is no split personality. Your words, your thoughts and your actions are in alignment. Manasekam, vachasyekam, karmani ekam. That is called arjavam. May you develop that. Daya, compassion, may you develop compassion towards all beings. Daya, tosha means santosha, contentment, tripti. Always be cheerful. Be cheerful always. Satyam, avoidance of lies. May you follow this 5 points program. Satyam, speak truth, means avoidance of lies. Satyam. How you have to follow them? Piyushavat, like amritam. Anandama. Yes, when you are drinking amritam, how you feel? Don't ask me, I have never drank amritam. Imagine. Like that. Amritam, amritavat, like amritam. I don't want to translate amritam because you know amritam. Amritavat, like amritam. Bhaja means you resort to, you practice, you put into abhyasa. So, 3 points Shastra highlights. If you want to achieve anything, 3 points Shastra highlights. First of all, you have to take a decision. Nischaya. You want to achieve something, first take nischayam, decision. Firm decision. I want to get moksha. I want to get freedom from all these problems. That sankalpa Second one. Sankalpa means resolve. Since I am a mumukshu, I want liberation. I want to practice those sadhanas which are meant for liberation. That is called sankalpa. First one is nischaya. I want to get moksha. That is destination. Destination. What is my destination? What is my goal? First I should know. That is nischaya. So what is that second one? Sankalpa. I have taken that nischaya. I want to get liberation, moksha. Therefore, what I have to take sankalpa now? Let me follow all sadhanas, whatever Shastra prescribe for moksha. That is called sankalpa. Having taken nischaya, not thinking about that goal, no use. I have to keep that goal always in my mind, and I have to nourish that desire further and further by taking sankalpa. That you are conforming your decision further and further. Our nischaya should not become weaker and weaker. My decision should not be changed. So it is further strengthened, nischaya. That's called sankalpa. After taking sankalpa, then what? You have to do abhyasa. Abhyasa means a practice. Those disciplines in sankalpa I have taken, for moksha I have to follow all disciplines prescribed by Shastra. Then those disciplines I have to put into practice. Every day morning, evening, throughout the day, Panchamaha Yajnas, Shravanam, Swadhyayam, these are all sadhanas. So I have to put into practice, abhyasa. For example, I want good health. This is nischaya. Firm determination. All of us have, I want good health. Second what? Sankalpa. Since I am desirous of good health, I have to follow the prescription for good health. What are all prescribed for that? What are all prescribed now? Avoid overeating. Avoid certain foods which are not good for health. Practice yoga. Do walking. Do Surya Namaskar. Like that, certain disciplines are there to be followed. Therefore, I have to take sankalpa. Tomorrow onwards, I have to do walking. I have to do walking yoga. I have to practice yoga. Like that, sankalpa I have to take. These are the foods I have to take. This type of food I should eat. This should not be taken. Like that, I have to take sankalpa. After taking sankalpa, next what? Abhyasa. I have taken sankalpa. Now, daily yoga pandrena. Next day onwards, what I have to do? Abhyasa. Surya Namaskar. Yesterday, whatever I have taken sankalpa, that I have to implement. That is called abhyasa. Otherwise, there is no use of nischaya. Good health I want. There is no use of sankalpa without abhyasa. Which one is most important? No, all the three are important. Similarly, moksha is my goal, nischaya. For that moksha, for sankalpa I have to take. I am going to attend the class regularly. Sankalpa. And the sankalpa virkanam. I want to attend the class, Vedanta class, wherever my Swamini takes. If I am free, I have to be in the class. Anumadri. If I don't have any other household duties, even duties are there, I will finish before 5 o'clock and I will go to a class. Sankalpa. After taking that sankalpa, what? I have to attend the class, abhyasa. So, Ashtavakra now is giving abhyasa. Without that abhyasa, your desire for moksha, no use. That is nischaya. You have to put into abhyasa. What is nischaya? Vishayan tyaja. That sankalpa you have to take. Having given up that vishayan, you have to practice what? Kshama, arjavam. These are all What? Abhyasa. Put into practice. Mukti micchet, that is Nishchayaha. Vishayan Tyeja, that is Sankalpa. I am going to drop Vishayas. I don't want to do too much transaction, too many obligations, too many possessions. No. Withdrawal. The withdrawal form irukku. You use the withdrawal form. Adhe madri take one withdrawal form. Write, no? How much you are withdrawing, from what you are withdrawing, you write down. On white paper, make it a withdrawal form. And the withdrawal formula, what are all you have to drop? Possessions, obligations, relations, too much transactions, too much talking, too much eating, too much sleeping, all too much, avoid, cut. That's withdrawal. I am withdrawing from all of them. So like that I have to do abhyasa every day. Main abhyasa is, you have to study Shastra. After studying, after going home, again read, again listen to cassette or CD, again be in that Shastra all the time, abhyasa. Without that, no knowledge will take place. Having said that, now he is starting. Shastra Paddhati is this. What you are, first you have to know. To know that, you have to know what you are not. Side by side, first you have to see what you are not. Once you see what you are not, that what you are, you can easily understand. Puriyarado? This I am not, this I am not, this I am not. Come on, delete. Idella delete case. What are all we have to delete? The Shastra prescribes. Come on, see the list, delete. After deleting everything, whatever remains, take that, I am that. Neti iti vachanai. Negation. Entire Shastra teaching is nothing but neti. This is not you, this is not you, this is not you. Then what am I? Chidananda Rupaha Shivoham. That is the method here Ashtavakra is following. Now, third sloka he says, Na prithvi, na jalam, na agnihi, na vayuhu, na jauhu, va bhavan. You are not the earth. Prithvi means earth. Jala means waters. Agni means fire. Vayu means air. Jauh means space. You are neither space, nor air, nor fire, or waters, or earth. Means what? You are not the body in Artham. Because body is made out of 5 elements. 5 elements are in solid form. 5 elements are in 80 kgs form. Even air also has got weight, no? The air, what you have got in your lungs, there is a weight. It's the solid form of 5 elements. Okay? You are not the body. Then who you are? Yesham sakshinam atmanam chidrupam vidhi. Yesha means of these 5 elements, sakshi atmanam vidhi. May you know. Vidhi means may you know. Muktaye, for the sake of liberation. Muktaye, for the sake of liberation, what you have to know? You have to know Chidrupam Atmanam. The consciousness which is in the form of self. Atmanam means your own self. Chidrupam is of the nature of consciousness. Chitu Rupam, nature of consciousness. Who is that? Yourself. You are that. As what? You have to say Sakshi, witnesser. I, the consciousness, the self, I am the witnesser. Witnesser of what? 5 elements. Where? In the form of body. I am the witnesser of the body. I have to look at my body like a third person. Like a koppara madri. Koppara and the shell lo irukkum. It is in the shell, but it is detached from the shell. What koppara says? I am not a shell. So this body is a shell. It is an outer cover made out of 5 elements, including mind. Mind and body, both of them are like a shell. So you are like what na? The koppare na. Ulla kulla irikara self, atma, chidrupam. Witness that what we are doing every day without knowing as sakshi. We are all witnessing. Witness your body. Are witnessing or not? Witnessing means what? You are seeing, perceiving, knowing your body. That is called sakshi. I am sakshi, knowing. I am the witnesser. Body is witnessed. Witnessed or not? Either this or this. So, I am witnessing. A sakshi. Yesham. Yesham means of this body which is made out of 5 elements. Including outside 5 elements also I am the sakshi. Bhavan, you are that sakshi, consciousness, self, existent principle, witnesser of entire 5 elements outside and including this body. Next shloka we will read. Shloka number 4. Yadi deham prudhak kritya cheti vishramya tishtasi. Sorry. Chiti vishramya tishtasi. Adhunaiva sukhi shantah bandhamukto bhavishyasi. Yadi, if deham pradhakritya chiti vishramya tishtasi. Yadi tishtasi, suppose you remain. If you remain, tishtasi means if you remain, where chiti vishramya, chiti means chaitanya, in consciousness, in chaitanya atma swarupam. If you remain, means if your thought remain in that atma chaitanyam. That is the meaning. How you remain in chiti? No. You are already atma. How can you stand upon the atma again? Remain. That means entertaining the thought that I am consciousness, I am chaitanya swarupam. That is called tishtasi. If you akhandakara vritti, I am indivisible atma swarupam. Moksha is nothing but conversion in your thought pattern. Thought pattern conversion. Thought pattern conversion. That is why to get this jnanam, what is the hetu? Vairagyam is the hetu. If you don't have dispassion towards worldly objects, you can never have this type of thinking. If your mind is totally occupied, preoccupied with worldly objects, where is the place for mind to entertain this thought? It is difficult. So therefore, if you have vairagyam towards sense pleasures, you can have a quality of mind to entertain this thought. What thought? That vritti, aham brahma asmi vritti. Chiti vishramya. Vishramya means you relax there. That chaitanya means shanta swarupam. Shantam shivam advaitam chaturtham manyante sa atma. Shantam vishramya. You are resting. Vishramya tishtasi. There is no strain there. There is no pain or strain when you are resting on that consciousness, thought. Because you happens to be that only. Vishramya tishtasi. When you are resting upon that Atma Swarupam, upon and all don't take literally. Okay. You are resting and remaining. Yadi, you have to say, Deham Pruthakritya. Without distinguishing the body separately. Whole Vedanta is nothing but sorting out business. Atma, Anatma. Sorting out. Physically you cannot sort out. Intellectually you have to sort out. Anatma, Sariram, Manasu, Jadam. It cannot function. I, the consciousness lending the sentiency to the body. I am Atma, this is Anatma. So Atma, Anatma, how far they are? They are not far, they are very close. So you cannot distance-wise separate them in the possible way. You need not, you cannot. Then what I have to do now? Intellectually, Anatma, body, mind. It is inert. It is able to function because of me, the Chaitanya. Body-mind complex borrowing sentiency from me. By itself, independently, it cannot function. Therefore, I, the consciousness, am the lender. Body-mind complex is the borrower. Of what? I am the lender of sentiency. Body-mind complex is the borrower of the sentiency. Like that moon borrowing sunlight and illumining in the night. Sun is the lender of the sunlight upon the moon. Moon is the borrower of the sunlight. So really speaking, moon doesn't have illumination of its own. But what we are calling, instead of saying sunlight, we say what? Moonlight. By knowing, if you say moonlight, doesn't matter. But you do not know it is sunlight. Annadi ippave sila pere sandeham. Yappadiya ani thonu. Enna theriyum moonlight anna moonlight and we are thinking. Moonlight is sunlight. Similarly, body-mind complex is like a moon. And the sentiency of the body, mind, the Chetana Tattvam, it is able to see, it is able to talk, it is able to smell, it is able to do, it is able to think, mind is able to think. All these are happening because of whom? Because of that sunlight like Chaitanyam. Who is that Chaitanyam? I am. This thought, this is called Deham Pruthakritya, Munjam Ishikavatunar. Like this, taking out the pith from that grass, carefully you have to. Every Vedanta class is that, no? You are distinguishing, separating. Intellectually you have to think, entertaining that thought. Chiti Vishramya Tishtasi, entertaining that thought in the Nididhyasanam, Pashyan Srunvan Sprishan Jigran. While walking, while talking also, at the back of your mind, at subconscious level, this thought should going on and on and on. Neighbor problem, sister-in-law problem, all these problems, in spite of those problems, I am the witnesser of those problems. Witnesser of the problems is free from dash. Witnesser of the problems is free from the problems. So witness the problem, never become one with the problem. If you become one with the problem, is a problem. Don't become one with the problem. Look at the problem like a third person. You have no chance, you have no choice, you have no control over those problems. You look at them as Sakshi. Sakshinam. Yesham problems Sakshi I am. Including body problem. Oh, I am Sakshi. Pallu Belli Amma, I am Sakshi, I am the witness, sir. And Cholano. Nizama witness, sir, than the witness, sir. If you say like that, if you remain resting upon that Atma Swarupam, I am consciousness, I am not the body, and the thought if tarhi, then and supply vandikanam. If you do like that, then what? Adhuna eva, in the class itself, here, now, itself. Adhuna eva. Sukhi Shantaha. You are Sukhi, you are enjoying life. Your life is so joyful, happy. Shantaha, tranquil, peaceful. Where is peace? Here itself. The moment you say, I am not body-mind complex, then who am I? What is not body-mind complex other than that I am? No. அது சொல்ல தெரியல என்ன கணேசம் நான் பாடி மைண்ட் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் இல்லை அது இல்லாமல் எது இருக்கோ அது நான் சொல்லிடுங்க நாட் ஃபார் அதர்ஸ் ஃபார் யுவர் செல்ஃப் ஐ எம் நாட் ஏபிள் டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் த ஆத்ம ஸ்வரூபம் இன்னும் ப்ராப்பராக சப்போஸ் சொல்லி பழகணும் என்ன ஐ எம் நாட் த பாடி மைண்ட் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் விச் இஸ் மேட் அவுட் ஆஃப் 5 எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் இப்படி சொல்லிட்டே பழகிட்டோன்னா யூ ஆர் கோயிங் க்ளோசர் டு Chaitanya Swarupam. This half of the job is over. This is the biggest task. Distancing. That is the right word. Distancing when person is not very, very favorable to us, what we do? Distancing the person. How intelligently we do that? Appa. Very intelligently we distance the person smoothly, carefully. Distance it's not favorable. Adi madri body mind complex also not favorable. It is a problematic. It has got umpteen defects, problems. Therefore distance. How Swamini? Person anna distance panla. How body mind complex I can distance? Yes, you can distance. How the koppara distancing the shell within the shell. Similarly, the consciousness within the body shell, I can distance. Through what? By studying Ashtavakra Gita. By studying Upanishads, Brahma Sutra, all Gita I study, I can distance. Tarhi, Adhuna eva, now. Here itself you can be happy, you can be peaceful. Bandha muktaha bhavishyati. You are free from bondage. Bandha means bondage. Muktaha means free. You are free from bondage for good. No bondage further. Therefore, this is the sadhana you have to do. Next shloka we will read. Natvam Pradiko Varnaha Nashrami Nakshagocharaha Asangosi Nirakaraha Vishwasakshi Sukhi Bhava. In our scriptural literature, we have Shravana Grandhas, Manana Grandhas, Nididhyasana Grandhas. I said this point in introduction, but I am repeating again. Because this text is not to attain Jnanam. You have to attain Jnanam through Bhagavad Gita, 10 Upanishads. Brahma Sutra also not to attain Jnanam. Brahma Sutra is a type of Manana Grantha to remove all doubts with regard to the external philosophies. External systems of philosophies, we have to remove all our doubts. So there is a Nididhyasana Grantha, this is Ashtavakra Gita, to assimilate the facts. How much Shravanam is important, that Shravana Grantha is important, Bhagavad Gita, Upanishads. Similarly, Nididhyasana Grantha is that much important. Because without Nididhyasanam, I cannot assimilate that Shravanam, what I have done. That teaching I cannot assimilate. One form or other you have to do Nididhyasanam. 99% of students are only Manda Madhyama Adhikaris. Naan sollala, Shastra says. Uttama Adhikaris are very rare. From childhood itself, especially even Nischala Dasa, Vichara Sagara, he says the Uttama Adhikari is a sannyasi only. Uttama Adhikari, according to him, only sannyasi is the Uttama Adhikari. What about Grihasthas? All are Manda Madhyama Adhikaris. Correct. But even though Manda Madhyama Adhikaris, also it is not impossible. Moksha is not impossible, but difficult. It is a difficult task because to get time to study, to analyze, it's difficult. They won't get quality time. That to quality mind also. Or Pakam Putri, Putra, mother-in-law, father-in-law, grandson, granddaughter, so many of them are there in the mind. Vyavahara. Therefore, it is difficult for them. That is why sannyasik nididhyasanam teva illa. But sannyasi get lot of time to do nididhyasana. For whom it is not necessary, he is having time. The one who needs nididhyasana, no time. Everybody. Grihastha needs more nididhyasana. You have to draw the time, pull the time. Okay, so this is the time for Nididhyasanam. See that your time is so precious. Even you talk with the people within 10 minutes only, Anjali, that's 1.5 hours I do. And the speech apde poinde irukum. Namak ariyamale. Like that, weeks, months, years, we waste our time. So Grihasthas need more time for Nididhyasanam. Sannyasi ki tevaye illa, because he is already sannyasi. Uttama Adhikari, attained Gnanam, avarki teva illa. He need not or she need not do any meditation. Grihastha needs every day, sit and do. That is what he says. Natvam vipradikaha varnaha. You are not. Now he is telling you are not belong to any varna. Vipra adipadat. Vipra means Brahmana. You are neither Brahmana, nor Kshatriya, nor Vaishya, nor Sudra. Which Varna? It is not only telling to Janaka, for every person, a Mumukshu. A Mumukshu, Vedantic seeker should know, first, I belong to Brahmana Varna, I belong to Kshatriya Varna, I belong to. And the Brahmana word, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Kshatriya Sudra words are not very audible nowadays. Even though they are not audible, they are there in different forms, different names they are there. These Varnas, 4 Varnas, Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra Varnas, whoever belong to that Varna, first drop that notion. Gotram, Varnam, sect. அதுக்குள்ள ஒரு மல்லி ஒரு டெயில் இதெல்லாம் அது புரிஞ்சு கரெக்டாக கல்யாணம் பண்ணும்போது அதெல்லாம் பார்க்கணும். அது வேற விஷயம். People apply this for in the marriage. No varna, for whom? For whom? Only various mumukshu who is in that path, who is listening to Shastra and receiving, he has to say himself, what? I am neither Brahmana, nor Kshatriya, nor Vaishya, nor Shudra. I am not that any Brahmana, any Varna, body alone is having, I am not. When body is going to related, Kalyanam, marriage, Varnam, Gotram, ella paakkanum. Ange poi idu implement pandra. நிறைய பேர் எல்லாம் வரணும் எல்லாம் பார்க்க. நோ கேஸ்ட் பார்னா நோ கேஸ்ட் பார். எங்கே அது? ஆத்மாவுக்கு தான் அது. நாட் ஹியர் to the body mind. When you want to interact, when you want to do rituals and all, you have to follow varnashrama dharma. இதோ தப்பாக புரிஞ்சுக்க கூடாது. இப்போ அதுதான் பத்திரம். ஜாகிரதையாக இருக்கணும். Here varna is not there. Anna for whom? Anna for me the chidrupa chaitanyam. As long as I am interacting, I have to maintain the caste, the varna, the dharma, the duties. I have to maintain them for body mind interactions with other persons. But when it comes to my intellectual understanding level, how can I be Brahmana? Brahmanatva is for Shariram. Therefore, I am not Adipadad Kshatriya Vaisya Sudra. Ullakulla Aham Brahmasmi Chalunde, Nan Nalla Brahmana Nona Purandata. I am a Brahmana, I am the Uttamadikar. Because Hidalla point Kumanasugulla. I am Iyer, I am a Smartan, I am a Vaishnava. After listening to Shastra also, that Abhimana will not go that much easily. Varna Abhimana, top Varna Abhimana. Ananda Varnathil kuda Ananda Abhimanam irkum. I am the great. Not Tvam, you are not that. Not only that, Ashrami, I belong to Grihastha Ashrama, I belong to Sannyasa Ashrama, Brahmacharya Ashrama, Vanaprastha Ashrama. People proudly they say, I am in Sannyasa Ashrama. Sannyasa Ashrama irukkan oru perumaiya sollitanna, still you are not adhikari for moksha ardham. This ashrama abhimana is there. I am a grihastha, I am a householder, I am father of so many children, I am having so many things. This abhimana. I am a vanaprastha abhimana. Ella ashramanla abhimanam irukum. And the bachelor ku bachelor abhimanam irukum. I am free, I am a bachelor. Endukku abhimanam? Adu oru abhimanam. Brahmacharya ashramanla abhimanam irukum. Grihastha ashramanla konjam inka extra abhimanam. Vanaprastha ashramanla kuda paranga enakku onnume touch illa. I am vanaprasthi ippudu now. Adilo abhimanam. Sannyasi sollave venda. Nariya abhimanam varthukku chances undu. I am in the kashayam potna udane innum konjam extra varum. Enna ellarum vandu namaskaram pannindi irupanga illaya. Everybody doing pada puja, malakku mela malam potinde irundana adu mela oru abhimanam vandudum. Taniya naanda tani anna maadhiri theriyarade. Adu oru abhimanam. It says ashramina. I the Atma, I am not neither sannyasi nor grihastha nor vanaprastha nor brahmacharya. I the Atma, neither brahmana nor any kshatriya or vaisya sudra. Who am I? I am not that varna or ashrama. I not belong to them. Na akshagocharaha. Akshagocharahan's Ashtavakra says, hey Janaka, you are not perceived or knower of any sense objects. The pramata, the knower, you are not even that also. Knower, when it comes, Atma and Atma mixture lo dane varu knowerhood. Pramata, I am the knower, I am the perceiver of sense objects. Who is perceiving? Atma is not perceiving. Atma can never perceive. When Atma enlivens the body, body perceives. And the ahankaranda pramata. When the Atma Chaitanyam and the body association take place, and the mind and Atma, that time in the ahankara takes place, Chidabhasa, reflected consciousness. And the Chidabhasam the knower. Ahankara the, I am the knower of this, that, I am perceiver of this sense objects, this and all. And the ahankara, pramata, the knower, perceiver, you are not. That ahankara, the pramata, perceiver also you are not. Why? It is mixed with anatma, mind. That mind in the thought where the ahankara. Because that medium. So therefore, when the medium mind enlivened by the Chaitanyam, one reflected consciousness takes place. And the reflected consciousness, the non and ahankaram cholli, I am seeing, I am doing, I am smelling, I am walking. Yar Atma va. Atma enga paaka mudiyum? Adukku kannu kedaiyadu, kaalu kedaiyadu, kaadu kedaiyadu, mukku kedaiyadu, onnume kedaiyadu. I am the Atma. Pure Atma can never perceive. Pure Atma, without any association with the mind, thought, it can never perceive. So who is perceiving? Mixture is perceiving. Which mixture? Atma, Anatma, mixture. When you are seeing me, who is seeing? Atma is seeing or mind is seeing? Mind cannot see, it is jadam. Mixture is seeing. அப்படி சொல்லணும். நமக்கு தெரியும், எல்லாம் நினைக்கிறோம், டக்குன்னு தப்பான சார் தான் வரும் பாருங்க. 10 வருஷம் கேட்டாலும் 12 வருஷம் கேட்டாலும் ஒரு கொஸ்டின் கேட்டால் தெரிஞ்சிடுது நம்முடைய விஷயம். Who is seeing? Who is smelling? Who is laughing? Who is smiling? Neither consciousness nor the mind. Pramata, mixture. அப்படி ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? நமக்கு மிக்சரா ஒன்றுமே ஞாபகம் இல்லை. இது தெரியணும்னா சாஸ்திரம் படிக்கணும். பார்த்தாரு, when I am nodding the head, who is nodding the head? Atma nodding the head or body nodding? Body cannot nod the head by itself. என்ன ஜடம்? If body can nod jadam by itself, desk also can nod the head. It cannot. Similarly, body is nodding, head is nodding, mind is also active because of consciousness. Consciousness by itself cannot do anything. Body mind complex cannot do anything. Mixture alone saying. That is what? Na akshagocharaha. You are not the perceiver, pramata, the knower of sense objects also. Then what? Asangaha asi. How can you perceive? How can you know everything? You are asangaha. You are unattached, untouched, unrelated, unassociated. Sanga rahitaha. Asangaha asi. Who? Janaka, you are asangaha. Every sadhaka, every jnani is asangaha. Nirakaraha, formless. Akara is only to the body, not to the Atma. You are really akaraless, formless. And taking formed one as real, you are formless, giving life to the form. What I have to do? I have to deform. Deformed. Nirakaraha Vishwasakshi. You are not only the body Sakshi. You are not only the witnesser of body. You are the witnesser of everything through every body. You are the witnesser of everything through every body. Through which body I am witnessing? Since I am all pervading consciousness, through every body I am witnessing. Once you keep light, and the pot, it has got holes, so many holes. The light is seeing through what? Through all the holes. Similarly, the consciousness, every body is like a hole. One body lande it is perceiving, seeing everything like through, with the help of the mind. Therefore, Vishwasakshi you are. You are the witnesser of the entire universe. பாருங்க எவ்வளோ டைட்டில், பெரிய டைட்டில் கொடுக்குறாரு. விஸ்வசாட்சி, நிராகாரஹா, யூ ஆர் அசங்கஹா, சுகி பவா. அப்பா, மே யூ பி ஹாப்பி வித் திஸ் நாலேஜ். சுகி பவான். If you don't know you are nirakaraha, asangaha, visvasakshi, sukhi bhavalla, dukkida. Adi namak yaru bhavan solla vendiya avashyam illa, already we are dukhi. People are already in dukkha. Therefore no need to say. But sukhathige da sukhi bhava, sumangali bhava, ella bhava bhavan sollano. Edi nammo ahanamo adella sollano. Illaya? Sukhi bhava. He is blessing us also. Ashtavakra. Next, 6th shloka. Dharma dharmau sukham dukkham मानसानि न ते विभो सानि न ते विभो न कर्तासि न भोक्तासि मुक्त एवासि सर्वदा. So he is telling what you are not. Na varna, na ashrama, na achara, na dharma, he says. Na varna, acharam, ashrama, dharma, all he says, dharma, adharma. Manasani, they are belong to the mind. Dharma means punya, adharma means papa. Punya papa. Nirvana Shatkam, na punyam, na papam, na saukhyam, na dukkham. So Shankaracharya, keeping this shloka only, might have written that Nirvana Shatkam. Correct? Na punyam, na papam, na dharma, na meter varad, correct? Na punyam, na papam, na saukhyam, na dukkham. That's what he says. Dharma, punya, adharma, papa. There is no punya, papa in me, the Atma. Punya papa belong to the body-mind complex. Who can say this? Whoever disidentify with the body-mind complex and establishing body-mind complex is mithya, he or she alone has got the right to say, Ashtavakra has got the right. What? He can say, I am not having punya papa. He has made the body-mind as false. He has no identification with the body-mind complex. Once the moment you have body-mind complex identity, abhimana, you will have punya papa. I know, disidentify, distance the body-mind. So, dharma, adharma, manasani, they belong to the mind. It is a thought in your mind. I have done lot of papa karmas, it is a thought. I have done lot of punya karmas, also a thought. Manasani, all are in the form of thoughts. That thoughts we are entertaining every moment. Kimaham sadhuna karavam, kimahagum papam akaravam iti. Why I have not done all punya karmas? Why I have done papa karmas? அப்படியே பண்ணினா இப்படியே பண்ணல நான், இந்த கவலை எங்கே இருக்கு? Manasani. Not only that, sukham, dukkham, I am enjoying now, I am having pleasure now, everything is favorable to me, that sukham. The sukha feeling also coming where? Mind. In Atma there is no sukha or dukkha. If you welcome sukha, there is background music. Enna theriyuma? Dukkam ready ah irukkan ardha. It is also belong to the mind. Dukkham also belong to the mind. Sukham also belong to the mind, not to the Atma. Therefore, when I know I am Atma, I have no na prahirshyet priyam prapya, na udyujyet apriyam prapya. Jnani is never have any up and downs when pleasure comes. No, it is also in anatma. Na sukham, na dukkham. They all belong to whom? Manasani. They belong to the mind. Na te. They are not yours. Na tava. Te tava. Not yours. Yours means which? He is always pointing out. You one means there what? You have to cross panchakoshas. Not annamaya kosha, pranamaya kosha, manomaya, vijnanamaya, anandamaya. You means what? Satchidananda Swarupam, pure consciousness. Chaitanya Swarupam, you are. That na tava. Satchidananda doesn't have neither sukha nor dukkha. Appo sukham kuda illaya Swami nanna. Adi sukha Swarupam. In the sukham, vara sukham, pora sukham, ayaram, gayaram sukham, adila kadiyadu. Priya, moda, pramoda are not there in Atma. It is Swarupam sukham. Therefore, tava na vibho, he vibhonar. He is addressing as vibhona. Vibho means now he is addressing him as Atma. Vibho all pervading one. Janaka, you belong to Midhila kingdom nenekkade. You really Atma, you are all pervading. As a king, you are only Midhila pervading. Not even Midhila, only palace pervading. Even not palace pervading, even asana pervading only you are. Yeah, Janaka Maharaja, you are only asana, you are darbar seat, Raja Simhasana. Simhasana pervading da. But as Atma, Vibho you are. That is the meaning of Vibhu. He is addressing him as Vibho. Na kartasi na bhoktasi. You are neither doer nor enjoyer. Karta means doer, nor enjoyer. Bhokta means enjoyer. You are not doing anything, you are not enjoying anything. If you have doership, you have enjoyership. That enjoy lo ennude joy the enjoy, and the enjoy lo enna varlam en dukkam kuda varlam. Ennu joy, ennude joy, and the joy pakkathula enna varum dukkam varlam. Joy Lucas and அது மாதிரி துக்கம் கூட வந்துடும்ப்பா. Therefore both are not there, because you are not the enjoyer of dukkam, you are not the enjoyer of sukham also. You are not doer of papa, you are not doer of punyam also. Then who are you? Muktaha eva asi sarvada. You are nitya muktaha. Now here adhuna ani sonnar ange sarvada means always you are muktaha. Theriyaliye Swami anna, because you are in ignorance, that's why you do not know. You are already muktaha. Shastra reminding you, that's all. Next shloka. Eko drashtasi sarvasya mukta prayosi sarvada ayameva hi te bandhah drashtaram pashyasitaram. Very important topic is entering. The seer of seeing objects is different from the seen. The seer, drashta, is different from the seen objects. Seen objects comes under objects outside. The seer is different. Here mind also plays seer, seen, both the roles. Drashta and drishyam. Kevala drashta, drishya drashta and kevala drishyam. Care of drik drishya viveka. I will elaborate this in the next class. Purnamada purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadaya purnameva vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.